Hello everybody, my name is Devashish Roy. I'm the Senior Network Trainer as well as Cisco Networking Specialist at the Indian Cyber Security Solutions. These are my contact informations for LinkedIn and Twitter. Today I'm going to talk about OSPF Stub video. Before, I would like to tell you, if you like our channel ICSS in YouTube, then please like it, and if you love this channel, love these videos, please subscribe the channel. Let's start with OSPF Stub video. Now, the OSPF Stub is a special area. It does not allow the Type 5 LSA. It is the external LSA that is coming from any other AS, say from EIGRP or any other autonomous system. But it allows the Type 5, the inter-area summary LSAs, and Type 4, that is the summary ASBR LSAs. This is the example of Stub area. See, we have an ASBR that is injecting the EIGRP AS routes, the Type 5 LSA, into the area 0. And we have an ABR which is connecting the area 7 to area 0. So the concept is that we are going to block the Type 5 external LSA. So the ABR will not inject the Type 5 external LSA into the area 7 as it is the stub area. And now I'm going to ask you a simple question. Now tell me, what is the difference between the Type 5 external LSA and the Type 3 LSA? So that answer is required, and if you give correct answer, that is also an opportunity for you. The first 10 correct answers will give 20% discounts for our course in ICSS. So please give me the correct answer. And now we'll continue with our topic. Now in the area 7 stub area, I've already discussed with you that the ABR does not advertise the Type 5 LSA from EIGRPS in area 7 because it's configured as a stub area. Now the area 7 stub command is needed in each router in the area to configure it. So that is the theory part. And now I'm going to repeat it once again. The question, my question was that what is the difference between the Type 5 external LSA and the Type 3 LSA? So I've already discussed this, so please give me the right answer, and the first 10 right answers that I have already told you will get up to 20% discount in our course in ICSS. So please give me the right answer as soon as possible. So that was about the theory part, and now I'm going to show you in practice how to configure stub area using GNS3. GNS3, this is our topology. In R1, we have configured EIGRP totally. R2 is the ASBR, it is connected between the EIGRP and the OSPF. R3, here it is configured as the ABR. So this serial and the loopback is connected to the area 0, but this interface serial 1/0, this is connected to area 2, as R4 is configured totally in area 2 in OSPF. So it is acting as the ABR. So the concept is that is R3 will block the route, the Type 5 LSA from R2 into this area 2. So let's see first the configuration. There is a route of the R3. You can see the R3 here. We can see the external routes, that is the E2, that is the OSPF external type 2 routes, that is the routes from the EIGRPS, and also on R4 you can also see as well the E2, the external 2 routes coming from the EIGRPS. We want to block it. So how to configure it? Very simple. You go to R3, the area border router, config mode, router 10, and area 2 as stub. So the basic process will be reset. And also R4 10 and area 2 as stub area. So here now the root. Root F. Now see the previous E2 or the extra roots, the type 5 roots are gone. Only the default is here. And if you keep the command show IP OSPF database, you see there is no type 5 LSA mentioned here. Only inter-area summary links, means type 3 LSAs are here. Now you remove the stub area and see what happens. Command no area to stub on R3 as well as on R4. Enter the router OSPF pin again. Command no area to. Now see what happens. It's again resetting the process. It's done. And now the root will come soon. Yes, it's come. So we can again see the external type 5 roots here as E2, and you check in the show IPOSF database also, and you can see the type 5 LSAs are back. So I have shown you the theory part and also the practical part. And please, if you like our channel, please like it. And if you love this video, if you enjoyed this video, then please subscribe our channel ICSS. So that's it for now. We'll come with some other topic on some other day. And for now, it's